Hi, I'm Perry from Reach It Poles, and I am going to give you an update right now on what 2017 is going to look like. It's going to be the year of the brush, the year of efficiency, the year of speed when it comes to window cleaning. So we're going to start with Constructor Pro-Brush. Now some of you may never even know what Constructor Pro-Brush is. It's based on an aluminum channel which has got 7 slots, and you can actually slide different types of bristles into it. And in 2016, December, the United States Patent Office gazetted the Constructor Brush with its unique ability to change the bristles and its unique ability to disperse liquids in different places. So we're pretty excited about that. We're some way down the road towards having a patent on the Constructor Brush. Now, when a Constructor Brush is finished, it looks like this. And usually for the normal Constructor Brushes, they're fitted to this, which is we call a side-to-side. And a side-to-side enables you to fan the brush when it's on the glass the same way as you might with a squeegee. So now what's really exciting is something that we've never done or anybody has ever done before. And that is the introduction of stainless steel bristles into a window cleaning brush. Many people don't quite realize that Constructor Brush is the only brush in the world that's ever been engineered from scratch to be a water-fed window cleaning brush for the use by professionals. Up until now, for the last 30 years, some companies brag about an unchanged design that's never been changed for 30 years, and somehow that's good. But in the very short time that we've been in this industry, and we've thought only about, not how we sell something, but only about how it is that the window cleaner cleans windows and how to make them faster, how to get them a higher hourly rate. And that's where we designed Constructor Brush. And up until now, what we've been able to do is combine the process of agitation with bristles. Let me pull up a standard one. So this is a standard brush, and we can do the agitation with the bristles and the rinse with the jets over the top. So the upstroke is the agitation and the downstroke is the rinse. So we've combined 2 steps in one, but if you're on hydrophobic glass, you know that normally with pencil jets your rinse is like this, and now it's just like this, covering up to 16 inches at a time. So there's amazing efficiency in Constructor Brush as it is right now. However, every time you hit a window that needs some sort of restoration because it's got paints overspray, it's got bee poop, it's got seagull bat poop because it's in a flight path, or it's just really, really dirty and never been cleaned, then you have to bring out another process, which is steel wool, bronze wool, blades, and all of that. So we've been racking our minds how to make it so that this process can be combined into the same process as the up-down motion of cleaning a window with a Constructor Pro-Brush. And that's why we're completely excited about the possibilities of being able to add stainless steel bristles into the middle of a Constructor Brush so you can combine all of the processes into a single set of actions. Now, to show you what it means to you if you own a Constructor Brush, you'll simply take out something like your base bristles that you've used to strengthen the base of the Constructor Pro-Brush, and you'll slide in your stainless steel bristles, and they'll now hold the shape of the bristle. So if we come across to the glass, you'll see that the stainless steel bristle is now holding the shape of the bristle, so all the bristles are square on the glass. The jets will be squirting the water just above the bristles, leaving a water squeegee on the way down, and then it'll be a little bit of pressure, and all of a sudden it's the stainless steel bristles that are actually taking the concretions off the glass. Now that's exciting, right? Now that's not to take away from this idea here, where we have base plates that are able to slide into the Constructor Brush. So we can slide this base plate in onto the Constructor Brush, and then we have 2 different levels. So we can use Velcro at this level or Velcro at this level, and then we can attach different materials, whether it's microfiber or doodlebug material, or it's bronze wool, and you can put that on there and then add the bristles to the outside of the brush, and then this becomes the agitation if it is that you don't need such an aggressive agitator like the stainless steel bristles. Last but nowhere near least for Constructor Brush 2017 is going to be the release of the rinse bar. So we're going to have a look at this nice and close. The rinse bar has been completely upgraded from being the Canon jets, where we've learned lots about the Canons. They overcame some problems, but they created others. And so what we've done is made them all one piece so that they can't break. We've shortened them so they can't get tapped, and we've made them way more closer together. In this case, every second one has got a hole pre-drilled in it, and what you'll be able to do if you wanted to have even more water is actually just tap the top of each one that you want more water from, and you can actually increase the amount of water flow from these rinse bar jets. So we're completely excited about this. Now what I'm looking for right now is long-term, serious, involved Constructor Brush users. Guys that have stuck with us since the beginning, made lots of comments in the Constructor Brush Facebook group for adding value. You guys, we've got, I think, about 20 sets of these for testing, and we've got some bronze wool we're going to cut up for you. So you'll be able to take these and test these plates here. And we're just about to order some sets of the stainless steel bristles, so that will get you those as well. Somewhere in around the next week or two, hopefully just before Christmas, they should be on their way to you. It'd be a nice Christmas present. I'm going to send them to you for free, and then what you're going to do is test them on your home and validate, you know, where they're useful and where they're not, and what your experiences are, so that we can use those as testimonials when we release them as part of the Constructor Brush range in 2017. So make sure you make a comment below. This is the thread that we will be responding to. If you miss out, don't hate me, right? We'll still make sure that we get something to you if you've been involved, yeah? Okay, so that's the wrap on Constructor Pro-Brush. For 2017, you'll find it only at the Reach It official store. That's store.futureofcleaning.com. And don't forget to watch our next video, which is going to be on the Easy Brush, which is basically the principles of a Tucker brush improved.